Web3 is an idea for a new iteration of the World Wide Web, which incorporates concepts such as decentralization, blockchain technologies, and token based economics. Some technologists and journalists have contrasted it with Web 2.0, wherein they say data and content are centralized in a small group of companies, sometimes referred to as big tech. The term Web3 was coined in 2014 by Ethereum co-founder Gavin Wood, and the idea gained interest in 2021 from cryptocurrency enthusiasts, large technology companies, and venture capital firms. A lot about Web3 has been discussed in our earlier video, which we suggest you actually go back to it, that is actually titled What is Web 3.0 and Why Does It Matter Part 1. This video will actually serve as part 2 of that very video, where we are going to tell you more about key features of Web 3.0, and we are also going to tell you the basic thing that actually makes Web 3 superior to its predecessors, and lots more will be discussed in this video. So stay put. I remain yours, Crypto Solutions. If you're watching this for the first time, don't forget to press like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And please don't forget to press the notification button so that you'll be the first to be notified once we release a video like this. Alright, let's jump into it. What are the key features of Web 3? Web 3.0 is still far from complete adoption, but its core concepts are mostly already defined. We are going to look at 4 key features of Web 3. The first being semantic markup. Over time, machines have improved at understanding the data and content humans create. However, there is still a long way to create a seamless experience where semantics are fully understood. For example, the use of the word bad can be, in some cases, mean good. For a machine to understand this can be incredibly hard. However, with big data and more information to study, artificial intelligence, that is AI, is beginning to understand better what we write on the web and present it intuitively. The next feature we're going to look at about Web3 has to do with the blockchain and cryptocurrencies. Data ownership, as we all know, online companies and decentralization are essential aspects of Gavin Wood's Web3 future. We will cover the topic in more detail maybe later, but blockchain provides a tried and tested system to reach many of these goals. The power of anyone to tokenize assets, put information on chain, and create a digital identity is a huge innovation that leads itself to the Web3 we're talking about today. 3D visualization is another feature of the Web3. Okay, put simply, the way the web looks will change hugely in Web3. We are already seeing a move toward the 3D environment that even incorporate virtual reality. The metaverse, yes, the metaverse is one area pioneering these experiences, and we are already familiar with socializing through 3D video games. The fields of UI and UX also works toward presenting information in more intuitive ways for web users. The last but not the least, when it comes to the key features of Web3, is the artificial intelligence. As we all know, artificial intelligence is the key to turning human created content into machine readable data. We are already familiar with customer service bots, but this is just the beginning. Artificial intelligence can both present data to us and sort it, making it a versatile tool for Web3. Best of all, artificial intelligence will learn and improve itself, reducing the work needed for human development in the future. Now let's dive into what makes Web3 superior to its predecessors. The combination of Web 3.0's key features will lead to a variety of benefits in theory. Don't forget, guys, that these will all depend on the success of the underlying technology. What are those technology? 1. No central point of control. Since intermediaries are removed from the equation, they will no longer control user data. This freedom reduces the risk of censorship by governments or corporations and cut down the effectiveness of the denial of service, that is DOS attacks. Okay, we can talk about the DOS maybe some other time, but for now, that's not the point. Now, the next thing that needs to be successful is increase information interconnectivity. Yeah, as more products become connected to the internet, large data sets provide algorithms with more information to analyze. This for sure can help them deliver more accurate information that accommodates the individual user needs. And also, more efficient browsing need to be in place for Web3 to actually thrive. When using search engines, finding best result have sometimes posed a challenge. However, they have become better at finding semantically relevant results based on search content and metadata over the years. This results in a more convenient web browsing experience that can help anyone find exact information they need with ease. The next thing is improve advertising and marketing. No one likes being bombarded with online ads. However, if the ads are relevant to your needs, they could be useful instead of being an annoyance. Web 3.0, I believe, aims to improve advertising by leveraging smarter artificial intelligence system and targeting specific audiences based on consumer data. The next is better customer services. Yeah, better customer services support. Customer services is actually critical for a smoother experience for website and web applications due to the massive costs. Though many web services that become successful struggle to scale their customer service operations. Using more intelligent chatbots that can talk to multiple customers simultaneously, users can for sure enjoy a superior experience when dealing with support agents. Unlike what we have now, where a lot of times you realize that for you to have the customer service attention, it actually takes time. Notwithstanding, as we speak currently, a lot has actually been going on this very part of customer service support, and that's why we see that for sure the Web 3.0 is going to strive. Now, the next thing we might actually ask ourselves here is, how does crypto now fit into the Web 3? This is a question that needs to be answered. Do you want us to discuss it here, or we should leave it till another video? Alright, let's just discuss it and know that we're done with anything that has to do with Web 3. Okay, now how does crypto fit into Web 3.0? Blockchain and crypto have great potential when it comes to Web 3.0. Decentralized networks successfully create incentives for more responsible data ownership, governance, and content creation. Some of its most relevant aspects for Web3 include digital crypto wallet. Anyone can create a wallet that allows you to make transactions and act as a digital entity. There is no need to store your details or create an account with a centralized service provider. You have total control over your wallet, and often the same wallet can be used across multiple blockchains. Another thing is decentralization. The transparent spread of information and power across a vast collection of people is simple with blockchain. This is in contrast to Web 2.0, where large tech giants dominate huge areas of our online lives. The third here is digital economies. The ability to own data on a blockchain and use decentralized transactions create new digital economies. These allow us to easily value and trade online goods, services, and content without the need for banking or personal details. This openness helps improve access to financial services and empowers users to begin earning. We have also interoperability. On-chain dApps and data are increasingly becoming more compatible. Blockchains built using the Ethereum virtual machine can easily support each other's dApps, wallets, and tokens. This, for sure, helps improve the ambiguity needed for a connected Web3 experience. This is how or where the cryptocurrency and the blockchain actually fit into the Web3. And in fact, a lot of people are even looking at it as the coming or the emergence of the blockchain is one of the major force to the Web3 that we're all talking about. The last but not the least that we're going to look at here are going to be the use cases of Web3 that we have now. Although, as we all know, Web 3.0 is still in development, we do have some examples that are already in use today. One of it is Siri and Alexa virtual assistants. Now, both Apple, Siri, and Amazon's Alexa offer virtual assistants that check many of the Web3 boxes. Yes, artificial intelligence and neural language processing help both services better understand human voice commands. The more people use Siri and Alexa, the more their artificial intelligence improve. And this is what we call machine learning generally. Its recommendations and iterations are superb. This makes it a perfect example of a semantically intelligent web app that belongs in the Web3 world. Yes, the next is connected smart homes. One key feature of the Web3 is ambiguity. This means that we can access our data and online services across multiple devices. Systems that control your home's heating, air conditioning, and other utilities can now do so in a smart and connected manner. Your smart home can tell when you leave, arrive, and how hot or cold you like your house. It can use this information and more to create a personalized experience. You can then access these services from your phone or other online devices, no matter where you are. Guys, this is where we are heading to, and as you can see, currently these two examples or these two use cases are clear examples of Web3, and a lot of things are in the pipeline. A lot of people are working day in, day out to develop a lot of stuff that are in line with the Web3. So believe in me, guys, Web3 is the future of the internet, and a lot of stuffs are actually going to pop up. This, as we say, has served as the part 2 and the last part of our series on what is Web 3.0 and why does it matter. We hope and believe that you enjoy this very series, and we believe you are actually going to share this video so that we make Web3 go viral. See you some other time, and if you have any questions or if you have any comment, if you want us to discuss any video, please feel free and drop your comment. We are actually going to get back to you, and we will ensure we treat those questions with urgency. Thanks a lot. Do meet you some other time. We love you all.